Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to close a trade on Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on Tradingview. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to close a trade on a Tradingview. So from this homepage, I'm going to launch a market. So I'm going to launch this Tesla, but you can search markets here to launch any of your markets. So I'm launching Tesla. So that my chart window is going to be open. So I'm going to show you how to place a trade, and after showing you how to place a trade, I'm going to show you how to close the same trade. So for you to trade, after launching a chart, if you're new to the chart, at this bottom corner where you have stock screener, pine editor, you have strategy tester, paper trading, you're going to see this option that says trading. This is going to be trading panel. And then go ahead and from the trading panel, select paper trading. Once you select paper trading, go ahead and connect. After connecting, this is what you're going to see after connecting paper trading. So the chart is still loading up. So just wait a couple seconds and we will launch into it. Okay, so it is completely loaded up. So once you've connected paper trading, go ahead and click on trade. And once you click on trade, this is going to open up, so you can now set your trade. This is order. So set your order, price, ticks, shares, USD. So let's say buying this. So I'm just going to click on buy there. Of course, we know that this is paper trading. This is demo trading. It's not real. So I've placed it, and this is now like other place, and this is my limits and all of the stuff. So if I want to, okay, so if I want to close this trade that I'm working on, what I'm going to do is to head over to this position. So here I have positions, orders, history, account history, and trading journal. I set it to positions. Here I have one position. So from this position, go over here where I have this X icon and click on that X icon, and you see that that position is going to be closed. So you see close position. Now click on close position, and your position will be closed. So that's pretty much the process. You see it's no more there. That's how you can close a trade on Tradingview. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.